Hello and welcome to Aviation 101 with Laura. I'm here today to show you it's April 2, 2025, and the FAA's U.S. Agent for Service designation website has officially opened. So there were some hiccups this morning, but actually I emailed them and they assure me that it is now fixed. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to use this system to register and to designate your U.S. Agent for Service. So thanks to this video's sponsor, Valier. They are your one-stop shop for being your U.S. Agent for Service. And I have a lot of other videos I will put in the video description about why use Valier, what does the rule require. The FAA has now digitized a little better their frequently asked questions on the site, so you can see all of the questions that you might want to look at for that. But Valier is a service that has a lot of experience in the past working with the FAA. Their address is in Oklahoma City, and they are going to be your secure and one-stop shop for being your U.S. Agent for Service for one low price every year. So check out the video description how it actually works. So I'm going to go ahead and start setting this up like I'm getting a new user account. I do have to pick some various security questions. They have a lot of different options that you can pick. So we'll go ahead and I will set those up. And then I am prompted to pick a password. So make sure you record that and know what that is. So go ahead and set up your password. Once you've set up your account, you should get an email confirming, and then go ahead and click that link and then return to their sign-in page. So once you get logged in, then you can select, and so for the new information, this new requirement, we would select Airman. And at this point, you are going to be able to add or update your U.S. Agent for Service. This is where you would designate that it is Valier or your provider of choice. You do need to know your FTN, which if you don't know that, you can go into IACRA and look up your FTN and then enter it here. So once I have entered my FTN, you have this pop-up available that is going to show me the ability to pick an individual to be my U.S. Agent for Service, which you can do that. You can pick a responsible person who you know who lives in the United States. They are responsible to send your mail to you. Or you can pick that it is a company, for example, like Valier. So you would go ahead and select this option if that is what you were selecting for your Agent for Service. And then you will just enter the the address of whatever the provider is that you've chosen for your Agent for Service and go for there, and then verify the address and include any other extra information, and then check this box and submit it. And that is it. That is how you manage your U.S. Agent for Service. You can change if you need to. You can remove it if you end up moving back into the United States or living in the United States and having a U.S. mailing address, in which case you would not have to designate an Agent for Service anymore. Thanks for watching Aviation 101 with Laura. Thanks to our video sponsor, Valier, and I hope you have a fantastic day.